Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use Outlook as an email client to access several different types of email accounts like Microsoft 365, POP or IMAP, or Exchange ActiveSync. You can also use it as a mail client for popular internet mail accounts like Outlook.com, Gmail, and many others. If setting up a POP or IMAP account in Outlook, you will probably need to know the specific POP and SMTP server address information, port numbers, SSL information, and your account name and password. You should contact your network administrator or search for information provided by your internet email provider to acquire this information before attempting to manually configure these types of Outlook email accounts. If connecting to popular internet email accounts like Gmail or others, you will probably need to enable two-factor authentication on your internet email account and generate an app password to allow Outlook to connect to the email service. You can find this information, which varies by provider, by searching for information from the provider for connecting using Outlook, or by looking for help on how to add an email account within the Outlook application. To add an email account in Outlook after gathering the necessary email account information, click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. If needed, click the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Add Account button that appears to the right in the Backstage view. A window then appears on screen showing the Outlook name and logo. Type the email address to add to Outlook into the email address field. If needed, to manually configure the email account's settings versus trying to let Outlook find and set them, then click the Advanced Options link to expand it, and then check the Let me set up my account manually checkbox. When you are ready to continue, click the Connect button. In the Advanced Setup screen that then appears, click the button for the type of email account to which you are trying to connect. Then enter any additional information in the screens that follow, depending on the choice you select, which varies by email account type. Continue entering information and clicking the Next button until you finish adding the email account.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.